Have you ever gone shopping and felt lost because you didn't know what to say in English?
Yes, I once wanted to return a shirt and completely froze at the counter.
Don't worry, today we'll learn the 10 most useful phrases for shopping, from asking for help to getting a refund. By the end, you'll never be stuck again. So stay with us, hit that like button, and subscribe if you want more fun lessons. Let's jump in.
Okay, phrase number 1. Can you help me?
This is a very polite and simple phrase you can use in any shop. Imagine you're looking for something but can't find it. You can just go to the shop assistant and say, "Can you help me?"
So it works everywhere? Even in a big supermarket?
Exactly. But if you want to be extra polite, you can say, "Excuse me, could you help me, please?"
Oh, so the excuse me is like a soft knock before speaking.
Yes, that's a perfect way to explain it. Here are some alternatives you can use. "Excuse me, I'm looking for... Could you help me find..."
Oh, I get it. Let's try a mini role play. I'll be the customer. Excuse me, could you help me find the bread?
Of course, it's in aisle 5.
Thank you so much. All right, let's move on to phrase number 2. I'm just looking around.
You can say this when a shop assistant asks if you need help, but you just want to browse. It's polite and natural.
So it's like saying, I don't need help now, thanks?
Exactly. You can even add, "Thank you, I'm just looking around." It shows politeness and gives you time. Here are some alternatives you can use. "I'm just browsing, thanks." "Just looking, thank you."
Oh, I get it. Let's try a mini role play. I'll be the customer.
"Can I help you?"
Thank you. I'm just looking around.
"No problem. Let me know if you need anything."
Now, phrase number 3. Do you give a discount?
You use this when you want to ask if there's a lower price. Always polite. "Do you give a discount?"
Can I use it anywhere, like markets or shops?
Yes, but remember, in some stores, discounts aren't usual, so it's fine if they say no. You can also soften it. "Excuse me, do you offer a discount on this?" Here are some alternatives you can use. "Is there a discount on this item?" "Could I get a lower price?"
Oh, I get it. Let's try a mini role play. I'll be the customer. Excuse me, do you offer a discount on this jacket?
Yes, it's 10% off today.
Wonderful, thank you. Okay, phrase number 4. How much is it? How much does it cost?
These are the most common ways to ask for the price. Simple and clear.
Is one better than the other?
Not really. "How much is it?" is very casual. "How much does it cost?" is slightly more formal. Both work everywhere. Here are some alternatives you can use. "What's the price of this?" "Could you tell me how much this costs?"
Oh, I get it. Let's try a mini role play. I'll be the customer. How much is this watch?
"It's $50.
Great, thank you. Next up, phrase 5. Where is the dressing room?
You ask this when you want to try clothes on. Simple and polite.
Can I just point and say dressing room?
You could, but it's better to ask, "Excuse me, where is the dressing room, please?" It sounds friendly and polite. Here are some alternatives you can use. "Could you show me where the changing room is?" "I'd like to try this on. Where can I do that?"
Oh, I get it. Let's try a mini role play. I'll be the customer. Excuse me, where is the dressing room?
"It's right over there, next to the mirrors."
Thank you. Now, phrase number 6. May I pay by credit card, in cash?
You use this phrase when it's time to pay. Always polite. "May I pay by credit card, please?" Or, "May I pay in cash?"
So I can ask this at any shop, restaurant, or even a market?
Yes, and adding "please" makes it sound extra polite. You can also ask, "Do you take credit cards?" Here are some alternatives you can use. "Can I pay with a card?" "Is it okay if I pay cash?"
Oh, I get it. Let's try a mini role play. I'll be the customer. May I pay by credit card, please?
Yes, of course.
Thank you very much. All right, phrase number 7. Where can I change money?
Use this phrase when you need to exchange currency. It's polite and clear.
Can I just ask at any store, or do I need a bank?
Usually banks or exchange offices, but asking at a hotel or big shop can work too. You can say, "Excuse me, where can I change money, please?" Here are some alternatives you can use. Could you tell me where to exchange money? Is there a place to change currency nearby?
Oh, I get it. Let's try a mini role play. I'll be the customer. Excuse me, where can I change money?
There's an exchange office 2 streets bound.
Perfect, thank you. Here comes phrase number 8. Where is a cash machine?
This is useful when you need cash quickly. You can ask, "Where is a cash machine, please?"
Is there another way to say it?
Sure. You can also say, "Where can I find an ATM?" or "Is there an ATM nearby?" Here are some alternatives you can use. Could you tell me where the nearest ATM is? Is there a cash machine around here?
Oh, I get it. Let's try a mini role play. I'll be the customer. Excuse me, where is a cash machine?
There's one outside, near the corner.
Thank you very much. Moving on, phrase number 9. I want to return this.
You use this when something you bought isn't right and you want to return it. Always polite. "I want to return this, please."
Can I explain why I return it?
Absolutely. You can say, "I want to return this because it's too small or because it's broken." Always add "please" for politeness. Here are some alternatives you can use. "I'd like to return this item, please." "Can I return this, please?"
Oh, I get it. Let's try a mini role play. I'll be the customer. I'd like to return this shirt, please.
Sure. Do you have the receipt?
Yes, here it is. Thank you. Finally, phrase number 10. I'd like a refund.
You can say this when you want your money back for something returned. Polite and clear. "I'd like a refund, please."
Is it the same as I want my money back?
Similar, but "I'd like a refund" sounds much more polite and professional. Here are some alternatives you can use. "Could I get a refund, please?" "I'd like my money back, please."
Oh, I get it. Let's try a mini role play. I'll be the customer. I'd like a refund for this jacket, please.
Of course. Do you have the receipt?
Yes, here it is. Thank you.
So that's it. 10 essential English phrases you can use every time you go shopping. Try them out with your friends, or even when you're at a real shop. Which one did you find the most useful? Tell us in the comments.
Don't worry, this is just the beginning. Sophia and I will be back with more lessons to help you speak English confidently and enjoyably.
Exactly. So don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with a friend. Thanks for learning with us today, and see you next time.